Hello, everyone. My name is Joseph Hockenbrock. I was our software lead. This is Matthew Acosta. He was our hardware lead. This is Juliana Rolandali, our program manager. And together we formed the Aurora Project team. This year, we set out to develop a real-time, intelligent home entertainment music visualization system that measures and reflects the character of the music that you play and enhances the music listening experience. Our project was split between a hardware task and a software task. Our hardware task was to develop a custom PCB that houses audio front-end circuitry, power circuitry, and controls our light display. And our software task was to sample, take an FFT, take all of these various measurements, such as like the mean magnitude of the signal at that moment, the mean weighted frequency of the signal, as well as various other signal measurements. And using those measurements, we would feed into our Aurora algorithm, which is really the cornerstone of our project. It's what makes our project unique. Instead of just maybe the lights only strobing to the beat of the music, these measurements allow our system to intelligently decide the best way to display the music. So maybe an intense song would strobe light for your parties, but if you want to relax and listen to Beethoven, you can have some calming lights that go to Beethoven. We used a lot of research of our own independent, informal research, as well as some psychology research, for example, from the University of Illinois to develop our algorithm. To measure the performance results of our device, we surveyed 28 individual UTD students, 27 of which identified themselves as music enthusiasts, which is the group we were targeting. We asked the question, how well did our system reflect the character of the music? To which none of them said that it did not reflect the character of the music, and 93% said that it either reflected the music well or that we nailed it. We asked the question, did our system enhance the music listening experience? And only one of the survey participants said that it did not for them. With that, we'd like to thank you all. And any questions?
On your survey, you used students only.
Yes, sir.
So if this was going to be a commercial device, you would probably want to break it into age groups possibly and see what the results would be there.
Yeah, that's a good input.
Yeah, our target mostly was college students whenever we were making this device. But definitely, like, whenever I told my parents and my grandparents, they're like, yes, we would want to see this. So that's good. But we also, when we surveyed, it's really interesting, we chose the UTDesign radio program. So when we say music listening people, we mean people that really know music and are very picky about it and are able to tell us what will look best and stuff, and they liked it. So we were very impressed by that. We didn't think we were going to do it, and we did.
Do you have
sorry, go ahead.
Do you have anything built in that prevents like people that might have epileptic seizures from having the light flash at them at a rate that would trigger a seizure built into that?
That's a good question. We don't have anything built in, but for our survey, for ethics purposes, we made sure that no one had epilepsy, and we'll do the same today. We'll ask before we demonstrate, but that's something.
You can also prevent it from, like, if you don't want to play really hardcore screamo music, it's not going to go into that type of state. But there is like a safety code that we have that we followed.
What is the form factor of your display or whatever you are using to?
Yeah.
We're using a LED programmable RGB strip, and we control that using a TNC microcontroller. And
So it's 5 meters long. It's a one LED strip.
Yep, meant to take up a whole wall space.
Yeah. So
Is the intent that you're supposed to put it like behind your television or something like that?
yeah, maybe in the corner.
around the crown molding of the
Crown
house.
molding, yeah. Something like that.
Okay, you have one more thing, right? Let's thank him.